You don't need work experience. They are willing to train you, and all you need is your secondary school leaving certificate. Now, your employer is going to provide you with accommodation. You don't need to bother your head with accommodation. They are asking if you are willing to relocate. They are willing to take care of your relocation. These are the questions they want you to answer. Are you currently legally able to work in Canada? If you are outside Canada, say no. Then the next question is, are you willing to relocate for this position? This is an amazing opportunity you don't want to miss out on. If you are willing to move to Canada, especially British Columbia, I have given you the best information you can get on YouTube. So you can find a lot of openings, opportunities, visa sponsorships, a lot of benefits to move to this beautiful province of British Columbia. Hi guys, and welcome back. I am super excited to introduce this amazing website of the government of British Columbia to you. This is a comprehensive job board of the province of British Columbia, where all jobs available within the province from different towns, cities, communities are posted. Job positions from different sectors, whether skilled and unskilled, are posted on this website, and this is so legitimate because this website belongs to the government of the province of British Columbia. And the most amazing part of this website is that a lot of people do not know about it. That means the competition is very low. I saw some job postings and only one person had viewed it. I'm going to show you very soon and you're going to see it for yourself. So there are limited competition. So if you are watching this video today, I want to congratulate you because I'm very optimistic that if you can put in the hard work on this website, you are going to land that dream job in this province. From wherever country you are watching this video from, you are going to land that dream job faster. If you stick around with me till the end of this video, I'm also going to be showing you another website where different sectors have been segmented. The agricultural sector, construction sector, different sectors, their own association, and they have their own job board. This will bring you closer to opportunities in your sector. So guys, before we dive right in, please like this video. I give you 1 second, please. I'm waiting. Like this video, share with your friends and family, subscribe and join the family if you haven't, and God bless you. We are currently on the comprehensive job board of the province of British Columbia. There are over 39,000 job openings available. Employers in the province of British Columbia post their job openings here. Guys, it will shock you to know that there are employers that are willing to bring you to Canada. They are willing to sponsor you to come to Canada. Yes, that is true, and I'm going to show you in a jiffy. The good thing about this website is that a lot of people do not know about it, and as you can see, this job was posted today, just posted today. So this website is very current, and this job that was just posted today, you can see that only one person had viewed it. So the competition on this job openings here is very, very low, and that gives you a higher chance of getting a job offer. Unlike Job Bank and Indeed that everyone is going every now and then, this is a secret website. So if only one person had viewed this job, and let's assume that person had applied, that means only one person had applied to this job. So you coming in to apply for this job makes you a second candidate for this offer. You can see how low the competition is. And guys, like I will always tell you the truth, if you're coming to Canada now that immigration system in Canada is very intense, because a lot of people are coming and you are looking for those big jobs, you might just be wasting your time. Because a lot of people in Canada are opting for those, white collar jobs, and they have the degrees and they are having an edge over you because they're already in Canada. Of course, the government of Canada will not allow them to leave the person already in Canada to bring you in, except for jobs that they are unable to fill in Canada. And let me tell you a secret, jobs like housekeeping, cleaners, skilled trades like electrician, plumbing jobs, and all of that are the jobs you can use to move to Canada. Employers in Canada are willing to
sponsor you. They will sponsor you to come to Canada because they are finding it difficult to get people already in Canada to take up these menial jobs. So you can drop your certificates, your degree, whether you have masters or BSc, drop it, come in with these menial jobs. Cleaning jobs, housekeeping does not require you to have so much skill or experience. Some of them clearly stated that they will even train you. What training do you need to clean, a house and all of that? You just need to be trained to use those sophisticated equipments that probably you are not used to in your home country and all of that. So with that, they don't even need you to have experience. This job was posted today and you can see how recent this job portal is. I am showing you this secret website today. Take advantage of it. You can ignore other websites for now and focus on this job portal. Just send your applications to as many openings as you can see, and I would want you to do your due diligence. Make sure the jobs you're applying to have visa sponsorship. You can see all these were newly posted today. One view, two views. You can see two views, one view. A lot of people had not seen. See, you can see these job opportunities. This is the best website you can land a job in the province of the British Columbia. Nowhere else. Don't go to the job bank and be looking for jobs in this province. Please come straight here. You can see hot job, fresh jobs. Let's go to the second page. If you have not been liking my videos, please like this video just to say thank you. These mind-blowing secrets that I'm giving you today. See, despite the fact that this was posted yesterday, only one person had viewed it. The competition is too low. Except you are not ready to move, just keep applying. You can see different openings, whether skilled or unskilled. Restaurant manager, truck driver, cleaning supervisor, driver, cleaning, and there are also skilled jobs. Are you in the healthcare sector? Are you in the construction sector? Are you an accountant, administrative assistant, caregiver, whatever sector you're coming from? Look for anyone that best matches your qualification and experience. Some do not even need you to have experience, like the cleaning job. You don't really need experience for it, and all you need is your high school diploma. That takes us to the next stage. How do you apply? You can use any of this filter to narrow down your search. You can use this more filter. If you need job openings without educational requirements, you can see no education. If it's job that requires you to have just secondary school leaving certificate, college certificate, or university certificate, just pick it there. And you can also select by industry. If it is administrative, agricultural, construction, all the industries are made available here. So just check out your industry. So guys, you can use your filter, but the most important part of it, come to job type and click on full-time, because if you are applying from outside Canada, there are specific requirements you need to fulfill. Make sure you click on full-time job, because those are the only jobs that are eligible for work permits and permanent residency. And make sure you click on on-site only. That is, you want to come and work in Canada, not a remote job. Then you come down here and you click on apply filter. So guys, let's check out this child caregiver private home. It is located in Surrey. So guys, this caregiver pilot program that Canada newly launched, let me tell you, people are using it to migrate to Canada like something else. The fantastic part of this pilot program is that you don't need Canadian work experience, and you're going to get your permanent residency as soon as you land in Canada. If you just land yourself this job, you are a proud permanent resident of Canada. And it does not even need you to have work experience. So they are willing to train you, and all you need is your secondary school leaving certificate. Now, your employer is going to provide you with accommodation. You don't need to bother your head with accommodation. And these are your tasks and responsibility. You take care of the child. You can travel with the family on trips and assist the child supervision and housekeeping jobs. And the funniest part is that they are asking you that, are you willing to relocate? You can see work setting. You're going to work in your employer home, optional accommodation available,
at no charge, and if you don't want to stay there, it is optional. And they are asking if you are willing to relocate. They are going to take care of your relocation, guys. They are willing to take care of your relocation. Only answer them if you are willing to come over to Canada. Guys, what are you waiting for? Jump right on this opportunity. And we have a lot of opportunity on this website, guys. You don't want to miss out on it. If you are willing to move to Canada, this is your best chance. So how do you apply for this job? All you need to do, you can check out all the requirements for this job. These are the questions they want you to answer. Are you currently legally able to work in Canada? If you are outside Canada, say no. Then the next question is, are you willing to relocate for this position? Say, do you currently reside in proximity to the advertised location? How do you apply? All you need to do is just send your CV and your cover letter to this email address. Make sure it is in standard Canadian format. It is ATS compliant and it is very impressive. Start sending your CV, guys. There are loads of opportunity. You can't exhaust it. Just keep sending. You can see the job that was posted between yesterday and today. You can't exhaust over 100. And like I promised, I said I was going to show you job posts of associations of different professions, different sectors in the province of British Columbia. So let's quickly check that out. It's going to take you a step further. So guys, still on the website of the government of British Columbia, you can see the industry job boards for various professions. You can see agriculture, arts, automotive, construction, health, finance, tourism, transportation. So all you need to do, just select your industry. Let's assume your industry is agriculture. So you can see different association under this industry. The business industry, let me choose the CPA. So opportunities that relates to this particular profession would be posted here.